You got a 370Z with the full Veilside kit. We're gonna be taking the wrap off today, doing a crazy wrap, maybe add some gloss black designs in there somewhere. Wrap y'all bumper in 30 pieces. Look at it. 30 pieces everywhere. The inlay on this too. Let me 100-piece your bumper real quick. 7 piece in the vent everywhere. We're gonna make it look way better. And he only had this wrap for like 6 months. Look, this inlay right by the headlight. Get the whole wrap off. Wash and clay bar the cold car. Get it ready to start the wrap, and then we're gonna get started. This is the color we're going to be doing on the Veilside Z. guys, here's the final product. We did a full wrap with the custom gloss black accents to give it a different look than the last wrap we had, with some crazy designs. We also did the bumper in one piece on this side and one piece on that side to give a cleaner finish. Before, they had about 5 to 10 pieces on there. Same thing for the fender. We did one piece and there was 4 pieces before. So it made it look much cleaner. We also did some custom design on the vent to give it a different look than before. And then we also did a 2-tone black top. Had the crazy design with the gloss black accents. With the custom hope you guys enjoyed the video with this car, man. This thing turned out crazy. We did a full unwrap and rewrap of this car, and we also did a 3-year ceramic coat on top, and this thing was crazy. Sheesh, look at that color. He was going for an R34 OEM blue kind of color for this look, and we also threw in some gloss black accents to really change the look of this car. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of how the wrap turned out. We did the 2-tone on the spoiler, the bumpers, the trunk, and it all came together super clean, especially on the lower side skirt vent and on these fenders as well. But hope you guys enjoy the content, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.